Hi, today we're going to be taking a look at this 2001 Jeep Wrangler. It is a 4.0 liter inline 6 with only 56,000 original miles. It is a manual transmission, 5-speed with reverse. It has no rust, great miles. As you can see, it's already lifted. It's already geared also. I believe it's got 410 gears. Hope you guys like it. You can see the frame shape. Interior is just as nice. Let's go ahead and crank it up. I hope this video gives you a better idea of what this Jeep looks like in person and it sounds like. Please give us a call with any questions you may have at 540-898-8300. This vehicle is available now at driveplatinum.com. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like our channel, like the video. driveplatinum.com.